In today's video, I will walk you through Master the Fillet command in AutoCAD. The Fillet command lets you create smooth, rounded corners between two lines or segments. To begin, type Fillet or simply F in the command line, then press Enter. Next, set the fillet radius by typing R and pressing Enter. Enter the radius value you want to use. Smaller values create tighter curves, while larger values create wider, rounded corners. After setting the radius, select the first line or segment, then select the second. AutoCAD automatically creates the rounded corner using the radius you specified. To apply the same radius to more corners, press the spacebar to repeat the fillet command. Then continue selecting pairs of lines. If you need a different radius, type R again, enter a new value, and continue. That's all it takes. Start the command, set the radius, select the first object, select the second object, and AutoCAD creates the fillet automatically. And that's how to master the fillet command in AutoCAD. Thank you for watching the video.